So I got the chicken paitan DX. It comes with a piece of marinated chicken leg on a sizzling plate with bean sprouts in the bottom of it. For my ramen, it's basically a chicken broth with like corn, green onions, and like char siu chicken breast, and then a boiled egg. And I think the noodles are like nice and thin too. Let's give it a try. That's so good. It's like slightly salty, but the chicken is super tender, and it's a little bit sweet too. It's like a light soy saucy flavor. Let's give it a try. The broth is super rich. It's like nice and creamy, and I got spicy for the spice level, and it's not too spicy at all. I'm gonna try their char siu chicken breast now. It's super tender and super juicy, but it's more of just like a plain chicken breast to me, but just like the texture is super soft. I think they only serve like 15 servings of the chicken paitan DX, and they also have the regular one, the chicken paitan without the chicken thigh.